Welcome to one of Southeast Asia's most iconic cultural landmarks, Batu Caves, nestled just outside Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. As we begin our journey, we're greeted by a golden guardian, the world's tallest statue of Lord Murugan, standing tall at 42.7 meters. A symbol of strength and devotion. We now ascend the 272 vibrant steps, each one rising into devotion and color. Monkeys line the path, playful, curious, and ever watchful. With each step, the city fades and the cave calls. At the summit, the grand entrance opens into the temple cave, a cathedral of limestone, carved by nature and time. Shafts of sunlight stream in from openings above, creating a divine play of light and shadow. Inside, temples dedicated to Lord Murugan and other deities nestle against the cave walls. Offerings, chants, and incense mix with the dripping echoes, every sound reverberates like a prayer. This sacred site is not just a religious center but a geological marvel. Formed over 400 million years, the caves once sheltered indigenous tribes, and now shelter the soul-searching modern traveler. The descent offers a reverse view, one that fills your heart with a strange peace. The view of Kuala Lumpur's skyline from above the steps reminds us of the contrast between calm and chaos, cave and city. Batu Caves is more than a destination. It's an experience of faith, culture, nature, and awe. If you ever find yourself in Malaysia, take the steps. You may find more than just a view at the top. Beneath the surface of worship and stone, where echoes hum like ancient tone, the cave breathes, alive, timeless, still, whispering stories that silence can't kill. Each stalactite, a frozen drip of time. A slow sculpture from the earth's rime. The limestone speaks in cracked embrace, holding secrets etched on nature's face. You'll hear no noise, only quiet roars of wind that's wandered through temple doors, of prayers that rose in sandalwood smoke, and offerings made with each word spoke. The walls aren't bare, they're tapestries raw, painted by water, pressure, and awe. With roots hanging low like nature's veil, and mossy scents where sunbeams pale. Somewhere a bell rings, faint, then gone, melding with pigeons, flutes, and song. It's not just gods who reside in here, but echoes of devotion across the years. A child's barefoot patter across the stone. A monk in saffron, lost and alone. A sigh, a breath, a camera click. All moments held in this cave so thick, time forgets its usual race. Inside this slow and sacred place, you're not a visitor here, but part of something bigger, soul and heart. So walk, not just with eyes open wide, but with stillness stirred from deep inside. Because in Batu Caves, the truth is clear. Some journeys don't end, they echo here. And now, as we step back into the light, from caves that held both shade and sight, we carry more than just the view. We carry peace, profound and true. In every stone and echoed sound, a quiet wisdom can be found. That life, like caves, may twist and bend, but even darkness knows its end. So climb your steps, both high and steep, for some awakenings do not sleep. And when the world feels loud and wide, remember what stillness feels like inside. Batu Caves is not just stone and sky. It's a whisper to the soul, a reason why. Thank you for walking this path with me. May wonder guide where your next steps be.